Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix today. And like I said last time, the shipping is getting like so much better. So that's really awesome. Sometimes almost too awesome because I wasn't really ready for another one yet. And it came like lickety split because I was counting on those shipping delays. But I don't have a cute bundle to show you this time because when I took it out of the box, stuff just slipped right out of the bundle. So it's not beautiful. I'm just gonna show you one by one. Got our iced coffee here. We're gonna sip that. I gotta go to work later today. So no wine for me this time. But let's just get right into it. I have Kristen back, if you watched my last video. Maybe we should do a lipstick check too. Got some on my teeth. Thanks for everyone being patient with my teeth lipstick last time. Alright, hi Rachel, how are you? I'm super excited to get to style you again. How are you surviving quarantine? Are things starting to reopen slowly? They are now. Restaurants just opened back up. Some stores are opening back up. Yeah, things are starting to. I'm happy to get to send you summer pieces to keep you cool and comfy as the temperatures start to climb. I also made sure to keep the budget in mind and send tops with stretch. I keep doing that. I saw you had pinned some wide leg pants and the pair by 151 is super cute. Dress them up a bit by pairing them with the 41 Hawthorn top. Figure flattering and you can rock it with the VIGOSS shorts. Yay! Or go for a more laid back vibe by wearing them with a tee or tank. I did ask for VIGOSS shorts because I love the pair of VIGOSS jeans that I kept. The PAPERMOON top has stretch and it's easy to dress up for work or wear casually outside of the office. I'll look out for your unboxing and what you think of everything. Take care of yourself and enjoy the sunshine. XO, Kristen. Kristen, you just get me. Alright, so first up, we're just moving right along today. First up, on the tag is the 151 Margery printed wide leg pant in black. So, stretchy! So that's cute with the vertical stripes going down the legs. I just hope they're not too long. I feel like I'd have to hike them up really far for them to not be like super long on me. But they have kind of like that nice, like almost like a crepe material. Let me see what material it is. So 100% rayon. But since it's already like a wrinkly material, I don't think wrinkles will be an issue. I don't know if you can see the texture, but so cool. And then next, is PAPERMOON Reece mixed material top in blue. So the front is not stretchy, but the back is stretchy. It has kind of like a cuffed sleeve there. It's a cute pattern. I'm just not a huge fan of that split neck top, like I said last time. And I think I left feedback that I wasn't really a fan of the split neck, but we'll still try it. We'll try everything. Let's see. If this is your first time here, hello. I kind of forgot my little intro there. Yeah, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, sorry, I'm itching a mosquito bite on my leg. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'm going to leave description below about Stitch Fix. I'm going to leave a referral code. It's my mom's referral code if you want to try it. For the first time, they give you $25 towards your first fix. That goes, you know, towards your styling fee and everything. It's $20 styling fee. If you don't find anything you like from that box, then you do lose out on that styling fee, but I can always usually find one piece I like from a box. So yeah, I'm going to leave that all below. 41 Hawthorn Benni wrap front rouge knit top in black. So this material, everything's just hot right now. We don't have central air. We have window air units and like this room's hot. And this material does feel a little bit heavy for summer, but I can see how it would be like a really good staple piece to have. Just because it is black, it's kind of, like she said, you can be dressy or not with it. You can put a cardigan over it. So I'm excited about that one. And we have the VIGOSS shorts. Let's see. VIGOSS Casie Distressed Frayed Cuff Denim Short in Indigo. Oh, I love VIGOSS. I have found that I love VIGOSS. So it's very stretch. It even says Luxe Stretch on the back. And it has the cuffed. These are, like, you can't unroll this. It has that little tab there to just, like, keep it how it is. I don't know. But it's frayed, so it kind of gives it a little cute detail to that cuff. And then real pockets in the front. Real pockets in the back. That looked bad. Anywho, so super excited about that. Little bit of distressing right there. And on the pocket. Awesome. I'm so excited. I hope I like those. I hope I do. I need shorts. And last but not least, we have the Market & Spruce. I love Market & Spruce. Lexxie tie-back knit top in navy. So that's really cute. I love a stripe. Can't resist stripes. Kind of just like a flowy tank top. But then it has this cute tie in the back. Yeah, that's super cute. Yay! Okay, let's get to trying them on. Okay, we have some wonderful pieces right from the start. I couldn't wait to put the jean shorts on. Okay, look at this cute top. First off, Market & Spruce. Here's the back. Cute little tie. So cute. Like, it's kind of nautical, you know. You can tuck it in. Here's the jean shorts. I'm going to pan down in just a second. I'm going to tuck it in. Just give a little front tuck, a little flow. So cute. It's really comfy, really stretchy. Kristen, I missed you. I missed you last box, girl. Oh, okay. Let's pan down on the shorts. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I ran into the wall. I do that. Okay, let's get to the, there's the light. There's the light. Here are the shorts. Perfect length, like not too long so that they're like Bermuda-y. They're a little Bermuda-y, I guess. But so cute. Good waistline, good color. Real pockets. I love the cuff. I love the fit. Nice and stretchy. Good length, like I said, for like the thighs, you know, because everyone has thighs. And no one likes it when they rub together. It doesn't feel great. So, the shorts are a winner for sure. I do really like this. I'm going to see what I already have in my closet because I do have a lot of striped things, but I think this is really nice and flowy for summer. Could probably tie it in like a little side tie. Super cute. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so the mixed material shirt, not sure it's my style, but here, it's not as bad. Not as bad as I thought it would be, like stretch-wise. The front is, I think it's a good size. It's an extra large, so it does fit a little more flowy for that kind of stiffer material in the front. And it's just a solid in the back with the stretchy material. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I like the pattern. I like the floral. I think it would be good for like this kind of summer months or as we get into fall, winter, because it kind of has like light blue and brown and like light pink in it. Let me get closer and you can actually see that. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm a fan of shirts that have one pattern on the front and then like no pattern on the back. I don't know. I'm on the fence. It fits fine. I think it fits okay. I would wear it to work. I don't know if I'd wear it more casually. I guess it's a little cute like that. Kind of tucked in the front. I do like the sleeves. That's nice for summer because it's not like a full-on t-shirt. It's kind of like capped, I guess. I don't know. I just don't know if I'm a fan of the split neck here. What do you guys think? I don't know. Do I like this whole box? I don't know. I definitely like the first two. Let's see. Alright, so this is the 41 Hawthorn ruched side top, whatever I said before, I don't remember. So, I don't know. It's definitely super comfy. Like super comfy. I guess I could like split it down more like that. But then it, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I have issues with ones that go like this because, you know, of my large chest. But I don't know. I don't know. I think it kind of just draws more attention to it. I play with my hair when I don't know things and I get nervous. I don't know. I don't know. Let's do the pants. The pants are super comfy. But again, I just don't know. See, I can't even go down far enough because they're super long. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so they go a little bit past my feet. Just a little. Here's the top. You know, it's all stretchy right there. I just don't know, you guys. I think the vertical stripes are really nice. They probably make my legs look longer, I would assume, since I have short legs, but I just don't know how much I would wear them. Same thing with this one. But super comfy. Like, they're almost like pajama bottomy, but if you put some wedges on with it, which I don't have, maybe I need to ask for some like summer shoes. Oh, you guys, I don't know. I had high hopes, but I just really can't tell. I really can't tell. I'm looking in the mirror over here, and it looks good in the mirror. I just don't know. Let me try this top on with the shorts again real quick. BRB. Okay, I put the shorts back on, and I think it's cute with the shorts. It's definitely more of like a dressier top. I don't know if I need that in a short sleeve. So I put this kimono on over it. This is an Emery Park kimono, which is like from Stitch Fix, but I bought it on Poshmark. If you want to check out Poshmark, I put my Poshmark page down below too, so you can click on that. And I think you get $10 off your first Poshmark purchase if you're new to Poshmark when you use my link. So check that out. But, you know, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. Since I don't think I'm going to keep everything, I don't know. Let's go over prices and we will make some hard decisions. Okay. Let's go over prices. Really good price box. First, let me say that. Good job, Kristen. So the 151 Margery printed wide leg pant in black XL, $38. They were super comfy. I think if you have a little bit longer legs than me, those would be so super cute for summer. But I just don't think I get enough wear out of them. But super great price. Like, everything in this box was $48 or less. So they're out there, people. The good priced items are out there. The PAPERMOON Reece mixed material top in blue, $38. I'm still on the fence about that one. Same thing, I don't think I get enough wear out of it. Just because I'm weird about the two different pattern thing. I think if the back pattern was like a stripe or something instead of just like a solid, I think I would like it better. The Market & Spruce Lexxie tie back knit top in navy, $44, of course, because Market & Spruce. I really liked that one though. So I'm thinking that's a keeper. The 41 Hawthorn Benni wrap front ruched knit top in black, XL. All the tops are XL. $38. I'm still on the fence about that one. I don't know. I'm thinking it's a no just because I'm not super comfortable with how the, top fit. So I'm thinking it's a no. And then the VIGOSS Casie Distressed Frayed Cuff Denim Short in Indigo, size 16W, $48. I'm for sure keeping those. They were so comfortable, I didn't want to take them off. I have to go to work today, otherwise I would have just kept them on all day. Can't wear denim shorts to work. So, stylist pick subtotal 206, by all discount $51.50, making it $154.50 for the whole box. I do have $49.68 left in like credit / birthday gift card. So if I did buy the whole box, it would be $104.82. But I just don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to keep the shorts. I think I'm going to keep that Market & Spruce tank top. And there's like my cute little summer outfit. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm so excited I finally got some VIGOSS shorts. Thanks for sending those, Kristen. Yay, yay, yay. Wow, wow. Bow, bow, bow. That's my air horn. It's not a very good air horn. I'll give myself that. It's not very good. Yeah, okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, below about Stitch Fix, description, the items I got in the box are going to be listed below too. I'm so spacey today. It's because I gotta go to work. Finally back at work, wearing masks, taking temperatures, doing all that stuff. Yeah. Stitch Fix is down below. I think my Wantable link is down below. My Poshmark link is down below. My Adore Me link is down below. Adore Me is the bra subscription company, so you can check that out if you're interested. But yeah, anything you want to know, just ask me. Not anything you want to know. Not anything, but anything about Stitch Fix, just ask me. Comment down below. Like this video if you liked it. And then subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and this is your first time at my channel, hello. I have a playlist of of Stitch Fix videos. I'll link right up there. And yeah, just check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying your day, and I will see you guys next time.